What's going on, guys? Sorry I got live a minute or two late. Had a little dog issue. Chicken got out of the backyard. The dog was chasing it all over in the backyard. Let me get my phone going. Can everybody hear me? This is the first time I've used OBS for this, so if somebody could let me know if they could hear me, that would be great. Shane, can you hear me? Yep, sweet. Alright, thank you. Man, it's hot out here. I gotta figure out some sort of like air conditioning or something for out here in the garage. I was solid till I turned off this fan. Alright, this is Topps Tier 1 full case. This is the eBay break. Give it a minute, let everybody join in. What's going on, Logan? Jeff? Let's see. All you guys that joined from eBay, joining in the group and everything, thank you. Check it out. We've got Prism 2019 Prism baseball up, full case, and then I believe I'll probably throw one on the eBay too. You guys see your team scrolling to the left and everything? That's all working over there. Boop, boop, boop. Then I don't have to. Last time I had my arm was all covered in. Well, I mean I'm tattooed anyway, but my arm was all covered in ink because I had the team list sitting right next to me, and I kept sticking my arm on it. Ended up all covered in ink. Sweet. It's so weird to watch. So weird to watch from OBS with the delay. I see what Shane's talking about now. But I think we're good to go. I'm going to go ahead and we got sealed all the way around. Cut it open and we'll get going. Hope everybody hits big. I've been busy all day. I didn't get to see too much. I didn't get to see too much of it, but from what I did see, looks pretty good. Tier 1 always looks good, though. Tier 1, I really like Tier 1. It always seems to be a good product. Get that out of here. Move this trash can over here. I'm excited because it'll be easy to sort and ship. It's a nice little break, a little breather. Slide those back. Make sure we can see that. I built this desk and now I built it like an extra couple inches so my arms. Alright. We ready to go? 2 autos, 1 relic per box, although I've seen that there's been quite a few boxes that is more than that. What must be nice? Shane, what are you talking about? Although this glare on my phone, I gotta do something about these lights. Actually, bring that box back. I'm gonna use this box to set these on, so maybe you can't just see the hit right off the bat. What's going on? What's going on, Mike? Figured I better better start using the OBS or not. Yeah, right. I know you've had a rough. Football's rough right now, so let me get my sleeves over here. Move these. See how well this camera is now. All right, our first hit is going to be Alex Wood. Let's see if we can get that. There we go. Out of 299. Going to the Dodgers. What's everybody doing tonight? I know. I can't just be telling Shane how to use it all the time. I know. And then going to the Braves, we got a Chipper Jones game used memorabilia. That's out of 175. 86 out of 175. Nice little hit there. I hate those lights. I gotta cover them with something. Dodgers on the board. Yep. Then the Braves. Got the Braves on the board. I think that I need another. Braves. Then next up for the Mets. Going to the Mets here, we got Jeff McNeil out of 25. That's gold ink. Is that gold or bronze? I can't tell. Might as well be colorblind. Nice little hit there for the Mets. It's a rookie card. Yeah, I got to do something about those lights now. I can see the glare on the cards. That's going to drive me insane. Box 1. I'm just going to leave that one there, though. We'll just continue to use that box. Hopefully hit a Vlad Jr. Yeah, what is it? He should be the Mystery Redemption A, I believe. 50 bucks. I know I need to teach Shane a couple more things with OBS so we can get some other stuff going here. Then next up, ooh, here we go. Nice little hit for the Twins. It's 2 of 10. 2 of 10. Torrey Hunter going to the Twins. Yeah, I can grab him. Oh. Then, Todd, did you get the Cardinals? What's going on, Francisco? Or are you just here watching? Man, Tyler, you popped in. You popped in, and that's like the same little thing I have when my daughter calls me. I looked over at my phone, threw me off. Thought my daughter was calling me. That little, whatever you call it, the frame or whatever. Filters, kids these days. Then, going to the Cardinals, got a Paul Goldschmidt. Game used memorabilia, piece of the bat, out of 375. Yeah, you can really see those lights above me with that. Threw me off. Paul Goldschmidt. Well, it's not Vlad, but the Blue Jays are on the board. Got a Rowdy Tells. Come on, focus it. Pick it up. There we go. Out of 250. Schmitty of gold. I might have to grab some more top loaders. Not bad for the Blue Jays. Yeah, Paul Goldschmidt. Yeah. Did anybody watch the A's game last night? I watched it a little bit and then ended up, because I ended up turning it back on when I got the ESPN alert about him getting close to pitching the no-hitter. Alright, and then our next hit, going to the Mets again, Noah Syndergaard out of 10. 8 out of 10. Nice little hit there going to the Mets. Man, what if I always tell my wife I'm gonna grow my hair out like that, and then she knows I'm lying. I can't stand my hair to be that long. No, Syndergaard out of 10. Let me open up some more. Might as well open these up too while I'm at it, because I'm going to need them. So, then, going to the Rangers, out of 375, Joey Gallo. Game used. We need a big hit, though. Like, we need like a boomer. Maybe this guy. Maybe this will do it. Who got them Yankees? Little David Justice. If I can get it to focus in. There we go. David Justice out of 299 going to them Yankees. Who's got them Yankees? That would be... Oh, I forgot. It's all eBay names. John. Nice hit for the Yankees. Nobody seen the no-hitter? Nobody cares because it was the A's. Come on, stop. Oh. Then, for the Yankees again, out of 25, Servino Pettit. It's a nice card there. Nice little duel. It is a nice one. Yankees doing pretty good. I don't know what's on that top loader. Not a bad little hit. Why is my phone going crazy? Getting blown up right now. I should have turned my notifications off. What's going on? What's going on, Scott? Oh, man. Is it going to end? Is it going to end for the Yankees? Not yet. Got a Derek Jeter dual relic game used out of 25, 13 out of 25. Yankees just killing this thing. See if we can't get some other teams on the board, man. What's going on, Chris? Derek Jeter out of 25. I think I gotta adjust these lights, man. What if I move this one to here? Is that better? I need to move it behind me somehow. And then late to the show. I was a little late to the show too. Boom. We got Gene Segura going to the Mariners. Out of 299. I moved to the camera, so I gotta like try and figure out get it to focus in. It's not gonna do it that way. There we go. Out of 299. What's going on, man? Well, hopefully we'll spread it around a little bit more. Not a bad case for the Yankees so far, though. Let's try this other side. Yeah, Chris doesn't do baseball, but he comes in and creeps from time to time. All right. Next up, we've got going to the Braves. Got a Ozzy Albies. That's out of 100, 90 out of 100. And these cards are so nice. Is the video live? Yeah, you're commenting on it, Tyler. You're commenting on it. I'm live right now, unless something happened, but everything seems to be going good on my end. All right. Then we got Miguel Cabrera out of 375. Little string hanging out. If you look down at the bottom, the edges are kind of dinged up. That way, wasn't me. That's how it came. It's the only downside to some of this stuff. Not seeing it on the page. It's Miguel Cabrera going to the Tigers. I'm not really sure what's going on, Tyler. Like, Anthony, what's going on, Anthony? Yeah, I don't know if you're not seeing it, but you're commenting on the video, so I'm not sure what's going on. Then we got going to the Rangers, Odor. No, I'm just kidding. Out of 375. Man, it's all these Anthonys. Anthony. A little bonus relic there in this box. And then, going to those Rays, we got Brandon Lowe. Get Lowe out of 250. 85 out of 250. Weird. I don't know. Like, come on. That's weird. I don't know. Hold on, let me see what's going on here. Let me see. Am I good? Yeah, I don't know. I'll wait to open this next box here. Give it a second. Okay. Alright, Shane says I'm good, so I'm going to keep going. Yeah, I don't know. What's up with that? Everything's streaming fine on my end. I don't see any. Still says I'm live. Everything's fine, Dave? Okay, thanks. Yeah, I don't know why. I don't know. That's weird. And no issues for... Okay, sweet. Thanks, guys. Appreciate all the help. Like I said, this is the first time I had got everything set up for OBS and everything, so... Sweet. Alright. Then next up, going to the Royals, we got a Whit Merrifield. Out of 299. Yeah. You've got a lot of issues now with the video. Sorry, David. Nice. Then next up, we've got Justin Smoke. Going to the Blue Jays. There we go. At a 375. Braden still can't see it. Oh no. I'm gonna upload it to. I'll upload it to YouTube afterwards too, just in case. But I don't know. Maybe maybe close out your app and restart it, and then just when we thought we were done with them, bringing them Yankees back with Chad Adams. It's at a 250. It's a good case for the Yankees here. Not bad. We got James hoping for some Reds. Well, let's see what we can do. Man, who needs a gym when I just got my... Not Chad Green. just break and it's like a sauna. Well, that's different there. This one's upside down for some reason in this box. Oh, because that's our... Ooh, look at that. You see that corner right there? Little dinged up corner. We got Michael Conforto going to the Mets. That's the only thing I don't like about Tier 1 right there. The corner's dinged up out of the box. Be careful with it when we put it in there though. You shared it for him? Okay. Well, hopefully we can get everybody to where they can see it. Like I said, I'll upload it to YouTube too. So then we got for the Red Sox, Chris Sale out of 375. And they just keep on coming. Bobby Richardson, 12 out of 25. Going to them Yankees again. Yankees just killing this thing. Could have swore I had that open already, but I guess not. Alright. This will put us about a third of the way through. Yeah, I don't know. That's weird. I wonder if it's just because they're like brand new and just joined or what. Holy crap, man. Who got the Braves? Who got the Braves? We're just gonna set this one right here. We're gonna put this right over here. Then we're gonna go on them Cubbies. O'Mara. Game used material. Yeah, just wait. Yankees are on fire. Just give it a second. It's going to get a little warm in here for another team, too. I guess I could have showed that before I sleeved it. Francisco Arcia going to the Angels out of 250. And Twins. And Twins are going to have to wait a minute, man. Twins are going to have to wait just a second. Because we got a little boomski coming up right here. A little boomer. How about a little Hank Aaron 1/1 pin relic. Player used pin. Boom! 1/1 Hank Aaron. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in. I don't think I have any one touches, but I don't know if this person would want it one touched or not. So, boom. Who had the Braves? Mass Cards 3, whoever that is. Are you in here? Mass Cards. And look at the names. You don't have to wait till tomorrow, man. I will upload it as soon as I'm done. As soon as I'm off this break, I will upload it. Oh, he's a Brave right here. Atlanta Braves. He might be a Brewer too. Let me move aside here. We're gonna go like this. And we're just gonna put him like right here. Let him just chill right there. A little 1/1 Hank Aaron in the background. I don't know. I don't know what's going on, Tyler. I'm live. I can see your comments. Everybody else can see it. I'm not sure what's going on. You had the Braves? Well, there you go, Adam. That would be yours then. Let's see if we can keep that going. I have to make sure and get some pictures before I ship. I'm planning on packaging and shipping everything tonight so it can go out in the morning. Here we go. Here's a little different love. Getting another team on the board here. How about a Matt Chapman going to the Mays? Out of 250. Oh no, it's out of 299. My bad. Out of 299. It's a nice little hit there then, Adam. And then going to them Padres, we got an Eric Hosmer out of 375. Man, I feel bad, Tyler. Like, it's live for everybody. Here we go. Spread it around a little more. Get them Pirates on the board with a Kevin Newman. That's out of 250. That one's out of 250. I can already tell I'm gonna have to grab Kevin Newman. Let me grab another set of these real quick because I know I'm gonna need those. Oh, okay. Yeah, I skimmed through the checklist some, but I wasn't sure. Oh, it was a busy day today. The wife got back from Baltimore. First time I've eaten a home cooked meal in like a week. The boy and I are living like bachelors, eating Hot Pockets and microwavable food. Because, let's be real, We got baseball games, all kinds of stuff. Dad don't got time to cook. Dad don't cook. We go to the hamburger store. Man, I don't like that packaging there. There we go. We go to the hamburger store. Oh, got a little redemption. Throw that one right here for the moment. Got a redemption coming up. And how about for them Blue Jays? On a Marcus Stroman out of 375. Yeah. 2019 Prism Baseball full case up on the page right now, or in the group. I keep saying page. We used to be a page, now we're a group. And then we got Trevor Williams going to the Pirates. Now it's starting to open up, get some other teams on the board. Let me grab a little filler here. See who our redemption is. Got Tier 1 talent autograph of Alex Bregman. Bring that in from Tier 1. I wonder, he's probably not on the checklist as anybody else, is he? Oh, I guess that one's not really going to fit. Oh no, everything's falling. Come on. Alex Bregman redemption. Hold on, guys. I gotta move this. This box is all my bubble mailers are falling everywhere right now. All right, there we go. Thanks for putting that up, Shane. Mentioning that again. Man, it is hot out here. Is anybody watching any games or anything? I don't even know what games are on. I think the Mariners are playing right now. I think they're playing tonight. Pretty sure they're playing. All right. We need some Reds. Who else do we need? Who else isn't on the board? I don't think these guys were on the board, but they are now. We got Corey Kluber out of 100 going to the Indians. Come on. Pinching it closed. 36 out of 100 for the Indians. Beat the Yankees 10-1. Nice. I know they started off hot. Now they're like back down to earth. Just, a regular team. We got going to the Cardinals. We got Matt Carpenter out of 375. 9 out of 375. Braves and Dodgers are on. What's that, Shane? Is that a link to the break? Is that a link to Prism? Come on out of there. Ooh, that's nice coming up. It's nice looking. It's not a red, but still nice looking card. Going to the A's. We got Matt Olson out of 25. One, two, three color. Well, I figure, oh, for the redemption, yeah. I don't know why I even said that. He's obviously on the checklist if he's in the product. But, alright. And right color, wrong team. Going to the Angels. We got Taylor Ward out of 250. Taylor Ward out of 250. This was my empty box I was using since we're down to the last box here. Spin it around. I don't know. Nothing crazy. I'm not going to tug it and pull it like Shane. Although everybody loves it. Everybody loves it. Use this to set them up here. I wonder if my kids are in bed yet. Last box mojo. Come on, Reds. I'm hoping. Let's see. We got 4. You got extra chance. Going to the Rays, we got a Blake Snell out of 299. I don't know who is texting me, but my phone is going crazy. Long distance wave. He's like, Don't count. Well, let's see. An Aroldis Chapman going to the Yankees out of 375. Got a little piece of the pinstripe in there. I like the rabbit ears and the hat. Man, set that there. Sometimes these top loaders are like stuck together on the bottom. Oh, that's weird. Out of 375. And then going to them White Sox. 375. Michael Kopech. Where is he? Where is he? It's not a red. James wanted some reds. Who was in here talking about the best team ever, apparently? The last hit of the break is going to be going to the Twins. It's a Max Kepler out of 299. Was that David? David, I think, had the Twins. Fisher King Dave, is that you, David? And then Tyler, I'll make sure too, if you're still attempting to watch or whatever, if you can hear me, I'll make sure and empty box. I'll make sure and get it uploaded as soon as I'm offline. I'll get it uploaded. I'm gonna stay out and I'm gonna make sure the kids, not this David, different David. I'm gonna make sure that the kids are in bed and everything. Then I'm gonna come back out. I'll make sure it all gets uploaded tonight. Then, let's see, do a little hit recap here real quick. Got the Max Kepler. Now it's not going to focus. Max Kepler. We got Michael Kopech out of 375. We got the Chapman out of 375. Blake Snell out of 299. Got the Taylor Ward. Got the Matt Olson out of 25. Nice patches there. Whatever. When are you not playing Apex? When you're breaking? You break and play Apex. That's what you got going on. Then we got Corey Kluber out of 100. Then we got the Alex Bregman redemption. It's a tier 1 talent autograph. I don't want to focus. Oh, there we go. Trevor Williams for the Pirates. Then we got the Marcus Stroman out of 375. Kevin Newman. That was out of 250. Eric Hosmer out of 375. Then we got the Matt Chapman out of 299. Francisco Arcia out of 250. Albert Almora out of 375. Then we got the Bobby Richardson out of 25. Not really. There we go. Chris Sale, 375. Got the Conforto out of 100. Patch auto. And the Chance Adams out of 250. Justin Smoke out of 375. Whit Merrifield out of 299. Brandon Lowe out of 250. Yes, I'm gonna, as soon as I'm off, I'm gonna upload tonight. It'll probably be like 15 minutes tops. It'll be on YouTube. Got the Cabrera out of 375. Albies out of 100. Segura out of 299. Then we got the out of 25 Derek Jeter. Then we got the dual out of 25. It's a nice card there too. David Justice. Yeah, it says David Justice out of 299. It says within 24 hours in the eBay description, but I usually make sure that it's up the night as soon as I'm done. Or as soon as Shane's done, whichever is breaking. Got Joey Gallo out of 375. Then you got the out of 10. Out of 10, Noah Syndergaard. We got the last few right here. Got the Rowdy out of 250. Goldschmidt out of 375. Torrey Hunter for the Twins out of 10. 2 of 10. 4 out of 25. Jeff McNeil. There we go. Then we got the Chipper out of 175. Alex Wood out of 299 for the Dodgers. And then last, but most definitely not least, we've got the Hank Aaron 1 of 1. Is that going to focus in? Hank Aaron 1 of 1. Pen relic. I don't know. Some people don't like the pen. They think it's a gimmick. I think it's kind of cool. Cool little hit. Hank Aaron going to the Braves. What's going on, Jeremy? See you popping in. Popping in to see the Hank Aaron. Alright guys, well that's it. Like I said, we got Prism Baseball full case up on the group. Think we may do one on eBay as well. Other than that, thanks for joining in. Sorry about the issues. I'm not sure what's going on with that. I'll have to look into it. But I'll get this uploaded, Tyler, as soon as I'm off of here. So I will catch you all at the next one. Thanks again. This is the East Coast. We're out of here.